Hello, my name is Javier and today we're going to make the perfect Puerto Rican Flan De Queso. We are going to be using the blender and the oven. The ingredients are eggs, cream cheese, condensed and evaporated milk. Let's start by preheating the oven to 360 degrees and setting up the water bath to put the cake pan on. To prepare the cake pan, melt 1 cup of sugar in a pan at a medium heat. When the sugar is melted and golden, remove and add it to the cake pan. Now that the cake pan is done, let's mix the ingredients. Blend it all together. Fill the cake pan with the mix and put it in the oven for 1 hour. After that, when it's done, let it rest until it's cool, then add it to the fridge for at least 2 hours. Now it's time to taste it. Enjoy it!